Hello and welcome back. Here's another quick tutorial of what we can do to improve our Whisker menu. Apparently Whisker, the folks at XFCE, has updated it. So this is from the Akantor, one of our new followers. And you can make your Whisker menu look a little different. And I'm going to show you how to install it today on Steve's very own. Okay, one of the simple ways to update the Whisker menu plugin, we're going to add this repository to Peppermint. And this should work on any XFCE distribution that hasn't had an update with its plugin. We're going to copy this command. We're going to add this PPA to our system. And you can remove the PPA when you're done if you're not comfortable with that. Put in your password, add it to your system, do sudo apt update. Now you can do the sudo apt install, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to our update icon. We're going to do refresh, and now it comes through as an update. We'll install the update. Okay, pretty quick update, but I sped that up. Right, now let's go to our desktop. Let's look at our menu. Okay, doesn't look much different, right? Well, let's go to properties. Oh, wait. So what we need to do is for the update to take effect, we're going to have to log off and log back in. So we'll do that. All right, we log back in. All right, let's take a look at our Whisker menu. This is the traditional Whisker menu. This is how I got mine set up with my theming. Let's go to properties. Notice we now on the Whisker menu panel, we now have 3 different setups here. They also added, and they did a little bit of change. They moved the panel button and how it reacts over to this page. So this is pretty new. So what we're going to do is show icons. So now you get a set of icons on your right hand side. Looking more like maybe the simple menu in Budgie or KDE. We can also take out show category names. We can adjust our panel so as far as it will go. So as we scroll through, see the changes. I just thought it was a nice little touch that the XFCE team have done. Thank you, Akantor, for bringing that up in the forum. Yeah, let's update our Whisker menu, make it look sweet, do it the way you want. I want to thank you for stopping by, and have a good day.